3 reasons why Binance's BNB token risks sliding further by March. A slew of technical, fundamental and on-chain indicators hint at more pain for BNB's price in February. Altcoin Watch owned this piece of history. Collect this article as announced on February 13. BNB recorded its worst daily performance since November 2022, falling 8.5% to below $285. BNB's price has since recovered to over $298, but its possibility of facing another sell-off remains high. Let's take a look at a few reasons why. BNB price rising wedge breakdown. The ongoing decline in BNB's price came as a part of a broader rising wedge breakdown. Notably, on February 9, BNB broke out of its rising wedge pattern, a bearish reversal setup that forms as the price trends upward inside a range defined by two ascending, converging trend lines. As a rule of technical analysis, a rising wedge's profit target is measured after subtracting the maximum distance between the pattern's upper and lower trend line from the breakdown point. Therefore, BNB's rising wedge target comes to be near $250, down about 15% from current prices. Interestingly, the $250 level also served as support in May, September and November 2022. SEC crackdown on Binance-used sell-off pressure in the BNB market escalated primarily due to the United States Securities and Exchange Commission's (SEC) crackdown on crypto company Paxos. The regulator has accused Paxos of issuing and listing Binance USD, BUSD, a Binance-branded stablecoin, which it deems an unregistered security. Paxos has categorically denied the allegation, noting that it would go follow the URL for the full article. For more on this story, visit the news article link.